Welcome back to Maths Masterclass. In our last lesson, we learned how to expand brackets and simplify equations. We covered several cases, so if you haven't seen that video yet, I've dropped the link in the description below. Make sure to watch it first so you can follow along easily with today's lesson. Today, we're taking it a step further, solving advanced equations that have both brackets and variables on both sides. Let's dive straight into some examples. Example 1. Solve the equation 3 bracket x plus 4 equals 2 bracket 2x plus 1. In this example, we are aiming to find the value of x that will make both sides of the equation balanced. In other words, both sides must have the same value. First, we clear the brackets. We use 3 to multiply each term in the bracket, and at the right-hand side. 2 multiplies each term in the bracket. So we have 3 times x equals 3x. And 3 times 4 equals 12. 2 times 2x equals 4x. And 2 times 1 equals 2. Next we collect like terms. If you haven't fully understood how to collect like terms, I have placed the link of the video in the description. Please kindly watch so you can follow along. Just a recap. In collecting like terms, we move the terms with the same variable and power to one side of the equation. And when a term is moved to the other side, its sign changes to the opposite sign. Here, I will move 2 to this side, it will become minus 2. So we have 12 minus 2. And I will move 3x to this side. It will become minus 3x. 12 minus 2 equals 10. And 4x minus 3x equals x. Therefore, x equals 10. Now let's verify to see if the equation is balanced when x equals 10. We substitute 10 in place of x in the equation. So this becomes 3 bracket 10 plus 4 close bracket equals 2 bracket 2 into 10 plus 1. We evaluate what is inside the brackets first, following the order of Bodmer's. So, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. We have 3 bracket 14 equals 2 times 10 is 20. We have 2 bracket 20 plus 1. Next, 3 times 14 equals 42. And 20 plus 1 equals 21. And 2 times 21 is 42. So, the left-hand side and the right-hand side have the same value 42. This means the equation is balanced when x equals 10. Example 2. Solve the equation 2 bracket 3x minus 4 equals 4 bracket x minus 3 bracket plus 2. Let's clear the brackets. 2 times 3x equals 6x. And 2 times minus 4 equals minus 8. 4 times x equals 4x. And 4 times minus 3 equals minus 12, then plus 2. Let's simplify minus 12 and plus 2. Just follow this rule to simplify integers. When the signs are the same, we add the absolute values of the integers and attach the sign of the larger integer to it. When the signs are different, we subtract the absolute values of the integers and attach the sign of the larger integer. So minus 12 plus 2. Different signs, that means we will subtract 12 and 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Attach the sign of the larger integer, which is 12, and its sign is minus. So we have minus 10. The equation becomes 6x minus 8 equals 4x minus 10. Now we collect like terms. Take 4x to this side of the equation, and minus 8 to this side. Remember, while moving a term the sign changes to the opposite. The equation becomes 6x minus 4x equals minus 10 plus 8. 6x minus 4x equals 2x, and minus 10 plus 8 equals minus 2. Now, divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. 2x divided by 2 equals minus 2 divided by 2. 2 will cancel 2. And minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1, so x equals minus 1. Let's verify and see. 2 bracket 3 into minus 1 minus 4 equals 4 bracket minus 1 minus 3 plus 2. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. So we have 2 bracket minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 3 equals minus 4. This becomes 4 into minus 4 plus 2 minus 3 minus 4 equals minus 7. We have 2 bracket minus 7, and 4 times minus 4 is minus 16. Here becomes minus 16 plus 2. Finally, 2 times minus 7 is minus 14 equals minus 16 plus 2 equals minus 14. So the right-hand side and the left-hand side of the equation have the same values. Therefore, the equation is balanced when x equals minus 1. Let's look at one more example. Solve the equation. 5 bracket x minus 3 close bracket plus 2 equals 3x plus 5. Clear the brackets first. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. We write down the plus 2 equals 3 x plus 5. Let's simplify. Minus 15 plus 2. The signs are different, right? So we subtract the integers. 15 minus 2 equals 13, and the sign of the larger integer is minus. That makes it minus 13. So we have 5x minus 13 equals 3x plus 5. Next, we collect like terms. 5x. We will move 3x to this side. It will become minus 3x equals 5. Move minus 13 to this side. It becomes plus 13. 5x minus 3x is 2x. And 5 plus 13 is 18. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. 2x divided by 2 equals 18. Divided by 2 here. 2 cancels 2 and x equals 18 divided by 2 is 9. X equals 9. Let's check if x equals 9 satisfies the equation. 5, bracket 9 minus 3 plus 2 equals 3, bracket 9 plus 5. Evaluate what is inside the brackets first. So, 9 minus 3 equals 6. We have 5. Bracket 6, write down the plus 2. Equals 3 times 9 is 27. So 27 plus 5. So 5 times 6 is 30. Bring the plus 2 equals 27 plus 5 is 32. And 30 plus 2 is 32. The equation is balanced. That means x equals 9 is the correct solution. I'll leave this one for you to try on your own. Drop your answer in the comments section below. And that's it for today's lesson. We've learned how to solve equations that contain brackets and variables on both sides, step by step. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons like this. See you in the next class.